Gonna teach you today on how to extract your from information from your notepad to your Excel. So what you're gonna do simply is go to your Excel page first. Firstly, you need to make sure that your Excel you bought the Microsoft 365 or not, or activate in your free version or whatever. So I'm going to tell you the steps, so follow it. So first you're going to do is blank workbook or whatever workbook you are in working. So go to your data. So you want to extract. So from external data, you have lots of option here. So you need to extract from your notepad. So what you're going to do is from text. So you're going to click on this, currently disabled, but it'll be enabled for you to so purchase a license one. And then after, what you're going to do is import the data from a text file. So we want this, so we're going to import it from the text file and import it where you want. So from the notepad you just extract it, and it will be available in your Excel page. Thank you so much for